means that I'm going to look at something, a group of something, and I'm going to guess how many are there. I'm not going to guess some silly, crazy big number because that wouldn't really be estimating. Estimating means I'm trying to get that number exactly right without counting the objects, without counting whatever that is. So I'm looking at these seashells today. I'm going to use these again. And I'm going to reach in and take a handful of them. So I have my handful. I'm going to put them down, and I'm going to estimate how many are here in the pile. Do you guys want to estimate how many are in the pile? Can you see them all? I hope so. Take a quick estimate. Remember, estimating isn't counting, it's guessing. So let's guess how many are in this pile. I'm going to estimate that there are 12 seashells. 12. I have a big hand. It's a big handful. I'm going to estimate there's 12 seashells. Now that I've done my estimate, I'm going to count how many seashells are in my pile and see if I got it exactly right or if I was close. And the reason I estimated 12 is because that's a reasonable number. 12 is reasonable. 10 is reasonable. 8 is reasonable. Saying I have 120 is not really reasonable. Saying I have 1 million is not really reasonable. So I went with 12 because it's a reasonable number. So now I'm going to just lay these guys out in a nice line because they're easier to count when they're in a line. I've got these seashells in a line, and I'm just going to touch each one as I count them because that's an easier way to count. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 seashells. Did anybody estimate 9? Oh, I didn't. I thought I had 12. So 12 is still a close estimate. I was close. I was so close. Now, you guys can do this at home really easily. All you need to do is find something that you can get a handful of, or something that's in a pile. So it could be a pile of crayons, it could be beans, it could be seashells, it could be crayons, markers, it could be cereal, it could be anything you want. I don't want to waste food though. If you're going to do that, make sure you eat it after. So I did my estimating with my seashells. I thought there was 12, and there was only 9. So it was a close estimate. I was only off by how many? I'm going to count on. So 9, 10, 11, 12. I was only off by 3. I was close. I was only off by 3, though. That's pretty good. So I want you guys to do this activity at home where you get to do a little bit of estimating, and then you're going to count afterwards. All right? Again, you can make this into a game if you like, where you take a handful of something and put it down, and then you ask somebody else, hey, how many do you think are there? And see who estimates closer, who gets closer to the real number. All right? Okay, guys, good luck with the activity.